today I'm showing you how to replace your screen on your broken iPod Touch 2nd generation. The materials you will need is a screwdriver. This is barely used in the process, so you won't need it as much. A small object like this, which I have this, is a little air rougher for your basketball. I'm using that. And a butter knife. So this, you can tell this is an at-home tutorial. You really don't need anything like special tools from Apple or like anything like that. So let's get started to the process. Unlatch all the latches. It will be sticking to the frame, so gently just try to pick it out from that. As you see, I uninstalled the Digitizer and the home button did fall out, which nothing to be worried about. It's easily, you can install it and uninstall it very easily. So, this is the screen off. You want to be very careful up there with the ribbon, because that will ruin the Digitizer. But if your Digitizer is already ruined, you might as well just rip it off, and that's basically how you remove a Digitizer from the iPod Touch 2nd generation. Let's just do a speed through of the putting the screen back on. As you see, it took me about, in real life, probably about a minute to put my Digitizer back on, and you see it's fully functional. And now you just got a brand new screen. I'll have the links in the description to get yourself a brand new screen if your Digitizer is broken from water damage, boom, or any of that sort. So thank you for watching. That is how you replace an iPod Touch 2nd generation Digitizer. I hope to see you guys in my next video. I really recommend you go to the store, get yourself a new screen protector, which I got, and yourself a new case. So that's how you replace your iPod Touch Digitizer.